Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to switch for the transparency and noise cancellation modes on these AirPods Max headphones. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more useful videos. So on the right headphone here you can find this button that controls those modes. You need to press it once and it will activate the noise cancellation mode, like this. When you press and hold, or tap twice, it returns you into the transparency mode, which allows you to hear the sounds around you. Also, you can control this on your phone. I will show you now. You need to open the settings, open the Bluetooth, tap here on your device, and switch for those modes. As you can see, to switch to noise cancellation mode, I have to wear my headphones. So now I'm gonna do this and show you one more time again. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the settings when you tap the button on your headphones. So I'm gonna press once, and it returns me into the noise cancellation mode. Now into the transparency mode. That's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.